A lot of people are asking, why do we need to exercise? Sometimes, even the thought of it seems hard. The truth of the matter is that you will be a healthier person. Exercise prevents diseases. As an active person, you are less likely to develop cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and less likely to have a stroke or get certain types of cancers, such as colon and breast cancer. Physical inactivity is ranked just behind cigarette smoking as a cause of ill health. Exercise benefits every part of the body, including the mind. Also, exercising can help you look better.
Firstly, I'm going to identify the pulse rate. Your pulse is the rate at which your heart beats. Your pulse is usually called your heart rate, which is the number of times your heart beats each minute, beats per minute. But the rhyme, you can feel pulsing in some of the blood vessels close to the skin's surface, such as in your wrist, neck, or upper arm. Counting your pulse rate is a simple way to find out how fast your heart is beating. Actually, the best way to take pulse rate is to gently place two fingers on your other hand on this artery. Do not use your thumb because it has its own pulse that you may feel. Count the beats for 30 seconds, then double the result to get the number of beats per minute. Thirdly, I'm going to talk about why is pulse rate important, because you can see how well the heart is working. In an emergency situation, your pulse rate can help find out if the heart is pumping enough blood or not. And it also helps in finding the cause of symptoms such as irregular or rapid heartbeats, dizziness, fainting, chest pain, or shortness of breath. Also, checking blood flow after an injury or when blood vessels may be blocked. Finally, I'm going to talk about why is it important to take pulse rate before and after exercising. Many people use target heart rate to guide how hard they exercise. Use this interactive tool. What is your target heart rate? This tool calculates your target heart rate using your maximum heart rate based on your age, your resting heart rate, and how active you are. During exercise, your heart should be working hard enough for a healthy effect, but not so hard that your heart is overworked. You benefit the most when your exercise heart rate is within the range of your target heart rate.
created using Powtoon.
And now I will give you 5 tips to exercise safely. And this is of course once your doctor give you the go ahead to exercise. These tips can help you to avoid injuries. Now let's start with these tips. Tip number 1. Take 5 to 10 minutes to warm up and cool down your body. Tip number 2. Plan to start slowly and boost your activity level gradually unless you are already exercising frequently and vigorously. Tip number 3. Listen to your body. Hold off on exercise when you are sick or feeling exhausted. Cut back if you cannot finish an exercise session. Tip number 4. If you stop exercising for a while, drop back to the lower level of exercise. Plan to start slowly and boost your activity level gradually unless you are already exercising frequently and vigorously. Tip number 3. Listen to your body. Hold off on exercise when you are sick or feeling exhausted. Cut back if you cannot finish an exercise session. Tip number 4. If you stop exercising for a while, drop back to the lower level of exercise. If you are doing strength training, for example, lift lighter weights or do fewer reps or sit-ups. Tip number 5. For most people, simply drinking plenty of water is significant. But if you are working out especially hard, choose drinks that replace fluids, pills, essential electrolytes. Here's a bonus tip for you. Choose clothes and shoes designed for the type of exercise. Also, you can replace the shoes every 6 months. Other ways to be physically active. Almost anybody can safely take up a walking, and light to moderate exercise is usually fine for healthy adults with good health. It is wise to talk to a doctor if you have any questions about your health or plan to start more vigorous workouts, especially if you haven't been active recently. Different types of physical activities. Aerobic activities. Aerobic activities make your breath harder and your heartbeat faster. Aerobic activities can be moderate or vigorous. It depends on their intensity level and they range from 60 to 85 from your maximum heart rate. For moderate activities, you can talk but you cannot sing. With vigorous activities, you can only say a few words without stopping to catch your breath. Second, muscle strengthening activities. These types of activities can make your muscles be stronger. Bone strengthening activities make your bones stronger, and especially it is important for children and teenagers as well as other adults. The last but not least physical activity is balance and stretching activities, which can enhance physical stability and flexibility, which reduce